Hey guys, welcome back to Lost Mevin Games. Today we are playing Puppet Show Souls of the Innocent. So, Collector's Edition. So, we have finally gotten into the castle, and turns out the castle is storing like the souls, which is not creepy at all. But here's a staircase over here that we can go forward to. And it's just a little staircase. Nothing special, but here is a door. And a puzzling picture -1 clay tablet. Ooh, we have it from the last video. And it is a puzzle, which I will skip, of course. Alright, sorry I had to skip that puzzle, but I played this game before and that was a hard puzzle to do, so sorry. But if you want to see a full playing on that puzzle, check out the strategy guide or some other walkthroughs. But yeah, let's continue on forward. Whoa. Hey. That was the spider puppet. Whoa, what? This wing is littered with strange puppets and mechanisms. The true manifestation of a mad mechanic's fantasies. Yeah, what the heck is going on here? Okay. But here's some sparkles over here, which mean hidden object time. And I think this is our item, the 4 dominoes. Yep, and oh, what's this? And oh, if I manage to feed the nuts to the fish, it will sink to the bottom, and I will get the tea. Oh, there's a tea tied to the mechanical fish. If I can sink the fish, the balloon will float up, bringing the tea with it. Okay, so we just need to find some nuts to feed the fish. Alright, let's go forward to this place. And I need a handle to open the door, so we need a handle here. And let's look at the other door. The door will only open when all 4 balls are together. Alright, a puzzle. Alright, and let's go forward to the left. And we're at a factory. sort of thing. Let's take a look at this door. A Domino's lock. The puppeteers do love their toys. Too bad a few dominoes are missing. Oh, we do have dominoes. Alright, so, what I think it's basically saying is arrange the dominoes in the square so that the sum of each square is equal to the number displayed in the center of that square. Oh, okay. So 16, 8, 10, and 3. Alright, this is gonna be challenging. A math puzzle. That puzzle was also hard. I didn't really quite understand it. But let's go forward to this little thing. Okay, and the bridge has fallen on the conveyor belt. I can use this crane to lift it and get the conveyor moving again. Okay, and without that last button, the crane can't move to the right. So we need an arrow to the right button. But yeah, and this must be in puppet manufacturing plant. No wonder they were being sold so cheaply. Wait, this is Lucci's puppets? This is where they're made? Okay. Doesn't seem like a factory, but yeah, let's go forward here. And here we are. And that's the thing that we were just in earlier. And here's the fallen bridge. And the conveyor belt stopped because a bridge fell on it. I think if I lift the bridge, it will work again. Yeah, and here's this. And the train is missing a hook. So we need a hook here. And look, here's some sparkles by the bridge, which means hidden object time. And I think our item is the lever. Or handle. But let's go back to those two doors. Here, and let's take a look over here and use the handle. And let's go forward to the other door. And we're here, and yikes. Whatever you do, don't look down. Okay, I'm not looking down. A drawbridge should connect these two turrets. So there should be a bridge here. But look, this castle has 3 turrets. 2 of them are connected by a cycle-operated drawbridge. And look, here's a wrench by the piece of paper. That would be handy. And look, here's a puppet on a bike. And if I find a bike chain, the cyclist puppet will be pedaling in no time. Here's a hook by the bike. So let's go back to that factory. And look, the sparkles are back by the bridge, which means another hidden object scene. And our item is the bicycle chain. Okay, then let's look over here and use the hook here. Alright, so that hook's fixed, and yeah, so let's go back through that other door and take a look at the bicycle and use the bicycle chain here. Alright, and now let's go to the other turret. And oh, hello? Hello, detective. The last time we met, you succeeded in ruining my plans, but this time, you're too late. Wait a minute. Is that you, Felicia? Wait. You look so different. I have finally found what I've been looking for all these years. The secret of everlasting beauty was hidden here by a very wicked sorcerer, Lord Adrian. It's a shame my scarred appearance requires the souls of so many little girls to regenerate. That's why the fortune teller was saying that the little girls are in danger. Their souls will never return to their bodies. Oh, dun dun dun! But that's a small price to pay. Now I will finish what Lord Adrian restarted and restore the beauty the plane stole from me so long ago. Goodbye, detective. No, Felicia, stop! To open the gate, I must rearrange the tile elements so that each element borders an element of a different color. What? Okay. So it's like that. But wait. Each element borders an element of a... Oh, okay, so they wouldn't touch. Okay, a puzzle. There we go, and ooh, the puppets depicted in the stained glass windows look nearly similar to the ones I saw in Troyville's puppet theater. Oh, yeah, they're actually similar. The Chester puppet, the black and white puppet, that fairy puppet. Yeah, these two are from here, but let's follow Felicia. Okay, and where did she go? Oh, the door's locked. The tea must be floating around here somewhere. Floating. Oh, I think we know where it is. By the fish with the balloon, and whoa. Am I paranoid? Or did that puppet just follow me with its eyes? It's blinking! Stop! It's blinking. It's blinking. That's not creepy. Okay. Let's take a look at this window, and look, here's a button in here. And, oh, what's this? Oh, a board up opening demands an investigation. Well, let's use the crowbar here. I can't pry. Oh, sorry. Okay, and we still have the crowbar. Yes. Okay. Look, here's some sparkles over here, which means hidden object time. Oh, there's a lot of skeletons here. And I don't know if this is our item or not, but a knife. it was an all. I'm sorry. Oh well. Oh. I'm afraid we might have to stop here. I think the video would probably get a little bit longer, so I think I should stop here. But like the video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel if you hadn't. And so thanks for watching Puppet Show Souls of the Innocent Collector's Edition. And this is Awesome Games. Bye!